Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will be seeing how to preview SVG files in Windows 11 File Explorer. So by default, when you go to the File Explorer and locate the SVG files in this File Explorer for Windows 11, you will be seeing that those files are not previewed. That means they will be only showing the icon of the app with which they will be opening. So in this case, by default they opens with Microsoft Edge. So you can see that here I have a lot of SVG files and all of those are showing Microsoft Edge icon because they opens with that browser. And you can see that this is the SVG file and there is no preview of these SVG files are being shown by default in this File Explorer. However, when you try to open them with the file handler like Microsoft Edge or any other browser, you can see what's inside the SVG file and you can see what is the content of that SVG file. But by default, they are not showing this preview. So it gets a very difficult situation when you have a lot of SVG files and you can't see the preview for them. So in this video, we will see how you can show the preview for SVG files by installing PowerToys from Microsoft. So the solution is very simple. You have to install PowerToys by Microsoft, and the PowerToys is a simple program which enhances your Windows 11 capabilities and adds some extended features and functionalities to your Windows 11 operating system. So this is an official tool from Microsoft and the link is in the video description. You can use that link to download PowerToys. It is compatible with Windows 11. And we will see quickly here what happens after installing the PowerToys. So here in this video you can see that I have installed PowerToys. Now I will open it and go to its settings. In the settings I will go to File Explorer add-ons and here I have option enable SVG preview, and that option is turned on here for the preview pane, and the same option is available also for icon preview. So you can turn on off this option to disable SVG preview. So I have enabled it here. You might need to reboot the system to make changes effective. And now if I go to the location where I have SVG files located, you can see that all of these files are now previewing without any additional effort, and you can see that all the SVG files are previewed in this File Explorer after the installation of PowerToys. So that's it for now in this video. If you found this video helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.